Gardening with Soule in the land of Soule. This is another spring shot of my aloe vera. And this is the true aloe vera. It's going to have yellow flowers. The stuff with spots on it is a different species and is not actually the medicinal aloe. So I'm coming around here to show you that, oh look, well, there's pink Perry's penstemon flowers, but there's also some coral colored flowers under there, and see how they're creeping out. And I'm going to try to get in here because they're under a tree. See that spotted aloe? Once upon a time there was plenty of space between the two species of aloe, and that would be about 3 years ago. And the big medicinal aloe kind of grows a little bit faster than the little partridge breast aloe, and kind of taken over. So once the partridge breast aloe is done blooming with its pretty coral flowers, I'm going to dig it up and move it away from the medicinal aloe. Give it its own space where somebody's not going to try and sit on top of it. Sometimes plants can kind of take over the space that you provide for them. So here's another neat thing about these medicinal aloes. Look at how they're going to have so many flowers on this stalk, and the hummingbirds are going to come in and just sip all the nectar. So it's a nice plant to have in your garden.